Hey guys, this is Mr. D here again, and today we are going to be painting this little guy. A lot of my students said that it looked like Winnie the Pooh, even though I was not going for Winnie the Pooh at first. So you can say it is, you can say it's not, it's up to you. We're going to stick with the two main colors, just the yellow and the red for the yellow for the body, red for the shirt, and then we are going to work on the little pot of honey. Okay, so let's get started painting. Okay, so yellow is done, so let's let it dry for a little bit. Alright, so this little bear guy has been sitting here and drying for the last couple of minutes, so now we're going to apply red on the shirt. So let's do it. Now that this guy is painting the two main colors, red and yellow, we are going to just do a touch up on a couple of spots that I got red, like right there. So I'm gonna touch that up, and right here, a little touched up. I think I did a pretty good job everywhere else. It's just those two little spots. So let's take care of that. Okay, so at this point we are going to work on the little honey pot. I'm going to color the pot red and have some yellow dripping all the way around to represent the honey. So let's do that. And there you have it. This is my little sculpture, my little Winnie the Pooh, or just a bear who likes honey and happens to be wearing a red shirt. And I think it turned out quite nice. So thanks for watching. Leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you have not done it yet, and see you guys next time.